So you're coming to visit Oahu, Hawaii. Well, what trip to Hawaii isn't complete without getting a surf session in at famous Waikiki Beach? To give you an idea of what to expect, here are 8 things to know before you go. Number 8, sea turtles. Mama turtles, baby turtles, gigantic Tyrannosaurus Rex turtles. You're even going to find some sea turtles that are going to try to get on the surfboard and take a ride with you. You're definitely not guaranteed a turtle, but they're out there, and if you keep your eyes open, you're probably going to find one. Number 7, crown jewel. Waikiki is the crown jewel of the South Shore, with crystal clear surf conditions that are going to make you never want to leave the water. Not to mention Diamond Head, Hawaii's most recognized landmark, is your backdrop on every single wave. It is stunning, and surfing here is only going to make you realize how special it is. Number 6, sunsets. Let's face it, nothing is more dreamy than sunset colors illuminating the sky and water all around you. Waikiki has incredible sunsets, and everybody paddles out to go and enjoy the waves during this golden hour. It's amazing. You can get phenomenal waves with incredible colors just spraying purple and orange in the sky. It's a sight to see and experience you don't want to miss. Number 5, the waves are amazing. Waikiki is one of the best longboarding spots on the entire South Coast, if not even the island. And you can get a wave and practically take it all the way to the beach on some days. You might come here on vacation and catch the wave of your life that you'll never forget. Number 4, location, location, location. All the hotels are located right next to the beach, and since you're probably going to be staying in one of them, this means your journey to and from the ocean every day is going to be super fast and simple. All the surf shops are also located right on the beach, making renting and returning boards super easy.
Surf's up, dude.
And what better way to finish off a surf session than drinking an ice-cold beer at one of the many beach bars as well. Number 3, it's crowded. Really crowded. Every wave you go on is going to have tons of people around you, in front of you, and it can be quite overwhelming.
Heads up!
But that's not the only type of congestion you're going to find. Outrigger canoes are going to be paddling out while you're surfing in. And some outriggers are going to be even catching waves right alongside you. Did I also mention the catamarans that sail in and out of the lineup almost on the hour? For a beginner or someone new to surfing, this amount of crowd factor can be extremely overwhelming. All of these crowds lead me to my next point. Number 2, injuries. And no, I'm not talking about wiping out and falling in the water. I'm talking more about this and some of this. There are a lot of inexperienced surfers out in Waikiki Beach, and you listening might be one of them. And this creates a lot of danger in the water. People don't know what they're doing, they're cutting off other surfers, and they're running over other people. I'm not saying you're going to get injured, but I do see a lot of injuries at Waikiki Beach just due to the fact that so many beginners are in the water. Number 1, localism. If you're not familiar with surf culture, here's a quick crash course. If you don't live here, or more specifically born here, then you're runner-up for the waves, meaning the locals have priority over you. If you get in the way, show disrespect, or injure somebody in the water while you're out, you're very likely going to be told, not asked, to go back to the beach, either politely or impolitely. So to sum it all up, Waikiki Beach is without a doubt a fantastic surf spot. Exceptional longboarding waves, conveniently located, turtles all around, and amazing sunsets. But this all comes at a heavy price. It's an extremely crowded spot, and if you don't know what you're doing, getting injured or yelled at by the locals are very likely scenarios to happen.